are here and we are doing the stunt for this episode of New Prof on Melrose. Of course, it's the Halloween edition. And we were talking about what can we do to be a fun stunt. So we thought, why not a pie eating contest, but a pussy pie eating contest. Yeah. I'm here with Kayla from Kay's Cookies and Cakes, and she was awesome enough to bake us a pie tonight, especially for us. This is gluten-free, dairy-free. That's what she specializes in, and we're so happy because some of us have food allergies and we can't just like nom 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 on any pie.
So a couple years ago, I randomly got diagnosed with an egg allergy, and so I started buying vegan products because I love desserts. I've baked since I was a kid, and they're not great. I'm like, well, I guess I'll just have to make it myself. So I know a lot of people who have maybe like they eat vegan or they're gluten-free, so now they can have whatever they want to.
That is so awesome. So people can contact you. We'll put a link in our description, and you're available for hire to
make whatever your heart desires.
Oh, that's awesome. She made this especially for us, and we're very, very grateful. Once again, Kayla from Kay's Cookies and Cakes. Woo!
Yeah, hope to hear from you.
Okay, let's do a little pose, right? So we're gonna see who can eat the best pussy. Now, PJ, have you eaten pie before? Like in a pie eating contest?
Not competitively.
Okay, so you're still amateur status?
Yes, I am.
Okay, how about you, Miley?
No, never.
Okay. Have you eaten pussy before?
I have.
Okay, have you?
Yes.
Oh, wow! Okay, so here's the rules. So I guess we're gonna eat as much as we can before we puke. And Clint over here, he's gonna be the judge. Wait, I should take my earrings off for this. I'm messy. Alright. Ooh, glasses off.
Glasses off.
You don't need to see the pussy, you just feel
Just go in.
Okay.
Pepper.
1, 2, 3, go!
Mine is like on the time of the month.
Mine is sour.
It's so much sugar, my vagina is getting a yeast infection. You guys, I don't know how much longer I can do this.
You want to throw it out?
Alright, stop. Okay. Text P to 555-355-5555 if you think PJ did the most. Text N to 555-355-5555 and text Q to 555-355-5555 if you think that Miley ate the most pie.
So there you go. Now you know that she is the champion. She gets bragging rights for all of October that she's the pussy pie eating champion. Woo! So we're gonna get cleaned up and we will be back soon. Bye. Are you seriously still eating?